Hi there, today we will be showing you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. Whether you are looking to protect your privacy or just start fresh, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window. Now click on History. This will bring up your browsing history. To clear everything, click on Clear Browsing Data button. Now, window will pop up. Make sure the browsing history box is checked. Then select how far back you want to clear your history. For example, you can choose to delete everything from last hour or from the beginning of all time. I'm just selecting it for last hour. Now press Clear Data. And that's it, your browsing history is now clear. You can repeat this process at any time to keep your history clean. Thank you.